If you're looking for a picture frame to hold all those precious memories you want to have, definitely check out this 3.5 inch by 5 inches frame. So this is what it looks like in the back. It has its little stand here, has the clips here to open up the frame to place the photo. This is like a plastic, it's not glass, so just keep that in mind so it won't break or anything. And of course, you have here the hooks to hook it to the wall. Personally, I just like to have it stand like this. Though keep in mind, it does kind of like it's not the most sturdiest, so you have to really like stretch it out, and it could fall. So if you kind of just touch it a little bit, I mean, it gets kind of wobbly. So just keep that in mind. You want to not touch it too much, it might fall. The wood is nice. It's thin in the sense of, I mean, excuse me, it's lightweight. It's not very heavy or anything. So yeah, it's a pretty simple frame. It's nice. Hope you enjoy it and hope you place some nice photos in it.